From pre-rich to rich in just 3 days. What's going on in the crypto market? If you wanna know, smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max, with Rodrigo Ornedo, your host for the most, and Bitcoin above the 100K. We are so happy. We are so close to this previous high, and we are just around 6% to all-time high on Bitcoin, that 108K. So maybe in just 3 days, we are going to be there because, of course, Elon Musk. Watch previous videos where you know what happened here, how we went from 89,176 to 102. And well, that was quite a trip, as this girl did with this line. We had to cross the line of Bitcoin, and we did, as this girl that is world record of limbo is doing here, even with glasses in her hands. We are so back. Everybody is enjoying life, dancing like crazy. Everybody's FOMOing big time. Be careful out there, but we have reasons to be happy. Like, for example, we broke this line that Crypto Robert told us that we needed to break in order to start thinking that we are going to new highs. It's not just for Bitcoin, it's also for the rest of the market. You can see here the crypto bubbles, how all them are in the green, with some crazy coins going up. You see, well, classical like Bitcoin, XRP, and also you have some of the ones that we had going up in 2017. EOS is going up, Litecoin's going up, VeChain is going up, Chainlink is going up. So the FOMO, the greed we have right now is unbearable. And you need to consider that maybe the biggest alt season of history is about to start on Monday. That's just 3 days away. And here we have this chart comparing price of Bitcoin with halving events in the past, and well, dominance and the importance of altcoins, Bitcoins, all that we need to consider. Like, this alt season starts directly after Trump takes office if we follow the same path we did on 2021, even on 2017. Just 3 days. This is a Bitcoin dominance chart, and you can see that, yes, it's a huge possibility that we follow again this path, with Bitcoin goes down in dominance and Ethereum goes higher and the altcoins go higher. We were expecting this. We told you so long ago that February might be the time for the altcoins. You can consider the dominance between Bitcoin and maybe another altcoin, but also between an altcoin and Ethereum, or a specific altcoin and Bitcoin. And so you can have your decisions. Consider that altcoins are about to break this triangle. I don't really like to think of all altcoins as a whole. I like Bitcoin and the whole crypto market, but just altcoins as a whole is not something that I follow through the charts. But it's true that we broke again with this kind of index crypto, the lines. So that's good for the crypto market. Of course, in 3 days, Trump takes office. We're about to witness the craziest bull market ever. I hope you've been accumulating. This year could truly change your life. A lot of charts today from Crypto Robert, and a lot of very good pieces of information, like that in United States, Trump is going to designate cryptocurrencies as a national priority, according to Bloomberg. And also, Trump is considering a US-based crypto reserve with Sol and XRP as top of the list. This is something that you can read in the New York Post. Controversial thing. Then you have some information out there saying this is not true, that he's just saying this because he wants to pay back all the donations he had from XRP and some other tokens. But who knows? Some other people even saying this is a very bad thing, that United States should just buy Bitcoin as a reserve and not the altcoins because those can go to zero. But also remember that United States has a reserve of gold and also a reserve of cheese. So if it has a cheese reserve, why not having some of this? We'll see if this is true or not in the days to come, but it's affecting the market, of course. Like, for example, some people are posting out there the crypto projects that are US based with the idea that Donald Trump and the crypto team is going to endorse cryptocurrencies with a project in US soil. We'll see about that. But right now, if you go to the bubbles, you'll see that that's not the case. VED, EOS, Fartcoin, Link, Litecoin, those are the ones everything is pumping and with little or less sense. Solana was pumping 15%, but if we go to CoinGecko and see the ones that pumped the hardest in the 7 days, we have Fartcoin as the leader, XRP 44% in 7 days, IOTA 33.6%, Algorand also, Hedera, Hasgraph, and EOS is up 26.4%, Stellar 23%. I'm wondering, Bitchain 20.4%, if some of these are going to give my money back. I bought them in 2017 and I've been holding for this very long period of time and I want my money back. I want my liquidity exit. What is that? Well, people buying those so I can go out. So be careful with that. You don't want to be liquidity exit. And if you want to know everything about the market, go to dextools.io. You have the link in the description below, of course. And remember, you can read that at the end of the website, that you can have all the crypto news you want if you follow Telegram with Dex Tools for free or with some privileges if you hold some DEX that I'm about to buy. Right now is literally your best entry for altcoin season, according also to this chart from Crypto Rover that is telling us also that Bitcoin still might be parabolic as we are touching the line of the banana trip. Bitcoin Therapist is showing us this chart we've been sharing with you for a long time. This is the last time Trump was in office and price action right now for Bitcoin. So yeah, if we follow that, remember 230 is in the cards and maybe a new all-time high in February, according to this pattern in this chart, how we are having these bull flags that are pushing us to the next high. That would be 175K for Bitcoin. And remember, yesterday we told you that the top for Bitcoin might be around $280,000 by November, December this year. So be ready for the sell of your life, or are you selling at all? Are you mentally prepared for this kind of rise that Bitcoin might have if we follow path of 2021 and 2017? Maybe you are, maybe not. But we have so many signs, many positive ones, like Bitcoin following the path that gold did after the ETF. And you know what happened? We still need to rally a lot higher if we are doing the same thing as gold did. This is literally, according to Crypto Robert, the worst time to sell your Bitcoin. But I'm divided there because at the same time, I want to take some profit. So what should I do? What are you going to do? Leave your comments below. Thank you very much. Consider that Fed's Christopher Waller says 3 or 4 cuts could be possible this year. So if the economy does that in the United States, we are going to go higher. And Scott Bessent, Trump's Treasury nominee, says that he sees no reason for US to have a CBDC. That's also bullish, as bullish is that Coinbase is relaunching Bitcoin loans for US users. Why is that very interesting? Well, because you don't want to sell your Bitcoin, and if you can put your Bitcoin as collateral and have some money when you need it, that's the best thing. It's like renting an apartment in Manhattan. If you have one, you don't want to get rid of your apartment in Manhattan. You don't want to get rid of your Bitcoin. But also remember fiascos like BlockFi and how bad this ended. So be careful out there. You are not Michael Saylor on MicroStrategy. Do not do this to invest and ask for another one and reinvest it, because in a winter, in a crypto winter, you are going to lose everything. Very interesting for Litecoin. Nasdaq has filed with SEC to list a Litecoin ETF with a 240-day review period. Good for Litecoin that is pumping. Some people believe that Litecoin is going to have market cap of Bitcoin that it had in 2016. We'll see about that. And good news also for Ethereum. Swiss state-owned post-finance AG launches Ethereum staking. Ethereum is rising, but we are still disappointed on Ethereum, even though Crypto Robert says that is going to teleport us to $8,000 soon enough. I think we might go even to 10K, 12K, and we saw some smoke released from Mainnet, signifying that the Ethereum Foundation has not yet chosen a new executive director. Funny things people are posting about Ethereum, because Bitcoin is hitting 100K, and all the times it's hitting it, well, it's still at the same point of even lower. Here, your friend Rodrigo Ornedo, remember to smash the like button if you like this content, always free for you. I created this trading view chart, and you can see there all the times we hit the 100K for Bitcoin, and how it's true that Ethereum is not doing as Bitcoin. We have this very good moment. It seemed different a little bit, but Ethereum is just following Bitcoin, and that's not that point where the alt season starts, where altcoins go at their own. Also, what about XRP? Well, we have a new all-time high. We expected this. That's very, very good. And it's interesting to see how Biden, in the farewell speech, he just attacked Elon Musk. And that's interesting. At the same time, that 4 members of the European Parliament have signed a letter requesting Elon Musk to speak there. They want his insight about freedom and about all the rest he is creating. Chinese hacker accused Yellen's computer in US Treasury breach, according to Bloomberg. Maybe says Elon Musk trolling a little bit that she clicked on the send me 1 Bitcoin, I sent you 2 Bitcoin email. Do not fall for that, and do not fall if you are a rocket. We have the second catch from Elon's company SpaceX. Even though the spaceship exploded, that wasn't a good one, but they catch the rocket. And good for Jeff Bezos. Elon Musk says congratulations to him, because they launched their first rocket. It's not just Elon Musk alone there trying to go to Mars. We have also Jeff Bezos. So good for everything. This is good for humanity. Again, it's a little bit sad that this spaceship exploded for Elon Musk, but sometimes you win, sometimes you learn. I tried to find buy news today, but it's difficult to find them. This is the one. The Iranian government shuts down the fiat on-ramp to crypto exchanges in a hopeless attempt to stem currency collapse. You see how fiat currency in Iran is going south, and well, this is a silly attempt where they are doing whatever they can. And also, as we are following like crazy today, let's review that things might go south. Remember the double zero digits theory we have in previous videos? What's that? Because we are still not free of risks of starting a crypto winter right away. Even if you remember this chart we had with the Fed comparison, we still might go flat for some months if we are following it. So go there, watch those videos, and consider that Bitcoin might go up, it might go down, or it might remain flat, as we always know. But just learning things, that is something that there's no doubt is a good thing. And we have here this chart telling us that the cost of knowledge will become zero. We don't need teachers anymore. We have AI, and a test in Nigeria kids told us that kids learn the same with AI teachers that with regular teachers. So if you want to keep on learning, go to Rodrigo Ornedo, Inteligencia Artificial, everything about AI, where you can create pictures, images like this one. They will say this is AI, trolled Elon Musk. Also learn about Dubai and freedom with Nómada Digital, Rodrigo Ornedo. And remember to do your homework, to keep on learning. Here's your coach giving you some sharing so you don't forget that. Also, don't forget that we are happy living on a box. So we don't need Bitcoin, so we don't need money, we don't need anything. Be just like that cat, or maybe like this one, sleeping and dreaming in this cheap bed. This is it for today, but we keep on researching for the new video here on Rodrigo Arnedo, Noticias Bitcoin, health, money, love, power in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!